What's up, family? Really glad you're joining me in this lesson. Today we're going to be looking at 200 arpeggio for the diminished 7 chord. Okay, 200 arpeggio. And in the previous lesson we looked at the single-handed arpeggio. So if you've not seen that, link in the description below. Watch that first and quickly come here so we continue with the 200 arpeggio. If this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss all of the videos that I post weekly. All right, let's get right into the lesson. So 200 arpeggio for diminished 7 chord. Now you know the single-handed arpeggio for so C, F, and G. Okay, now I want to find the corresponding 200 arpeggios, right? Now it's slightly difficult splitting this C, F, and G into 200 arpeggios. It's a bit difficult. So what I do is I use C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. Well, it's very easy to remember because C, F, and G for 100 arpeggio, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp for 200 arpeggio. Okay, so this is how it's going to be like. Now, a C sharp diminished 7. This is how it is. Okay, so obviously you see that a C sharp diminished 7 is corresponding to the G because it's a member of the G diminished 7 chord. Right? So if you want to play a G diminished 7 arpeggio or an E diminished or a B flat diminished 7 and you want a 200 version, you just pick the C sharp diminished 7. Okay, so how you're going to play that is you're going to play the first note of the C sharp diminished 7 chord with your left hand, maybe the middle finger, and then you play these three with your 1, 2, and 5. So it's going to go like this. See that? Let's try one more time. Let's try one more time. So slowly. By the time this one is ending, this one is already going over to meet up, so you don't miss the timing, right? All right, let's try it faster. There you go. And then F sharp diminished 7, same thing, same fingering. This is the F sharp diminished 7, right? 1, flat 3, flat 5, and 7. So this will work for A diminished 7, C diminished 7, and E flat diminished 7 as well. So same fingering. Medium speed. Fast. Right? Excellent. Let's try the G sharp diminished 7. So this is the G sharp or A flat diminished 7. And yeah, to run it with both hands, same thing. You're going to use one finger on the left and then your right hand to play these three, right? So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So let's play it with medium speed. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't try to play it fast in the beginning. Go very slow until your fingers get used to the position of all of them before you can put it together. Now, let's go into, the main thing, putting them into your songs, right? So as I said, it's easier. It's easier really to bring diminished chords just before a minor chord. It sounds a lot easier for the ears, especially in all types of music. Well, in gospel, in gospel and jazz, you can easily use them to lead to major chords as well. No issues, right? But generally, they lead nicely to minor chords, and I'll suggest you use them to lead to your 2 and your 6 chords. So it doesn't matter. I'm going to use simple examples in this lesson so that beginners and intermediates can all follow. But if you're intermediate to advanced level, obviously take other songs, apply it in the same context, and you should be fine. All right, so same chord progression we always use: A minor, F, C, and G. Now coming back to the A minor, I'm going to use a diminished 7 chord to lead to my A minor. Now the notes, a semitone below the A minor, is G sharp. Okay, so now it's even straightforward. I'm going to use a 200 arpeggio. You could use a 100 arpeggio, but that will be the F, because that's the, C, F, G, 100, C sharp, F sharp, G sharp, 200. Okay, so, but now I'm going to use the A flat. So when I play the A flat, I need to link it right after there, link it directly to my A minor. So it's going to sound like, so if I play it twice, it's going to go like, if I decide to play it twice, if I decide to play it 4 times, in this case, I'm going to play just 2 times. So I'm going to play, when I play the G chord, 1, 2. So let's try it together with the chord progression, slowly, then mid-tempo, right? So let's go. Okay, there you go. Let's say if we play it in the key of F, okay? So the 6-4-1-5 would be, this is your 6th chord, A minor, B flat major, and then F and C. And then, so D minor. So when we're coming to the D minor, the diminished chord that will lead nicely to the D minor will be C sharp diminished 7. So I'm going to run the C sharp diminished 7 like this and lead me to the D minor. So let's give it a try. Okay. Right there. Okay, so one more time. Just adding a few fills, right? Excellent. So have fun with this. I mean, just go around, as many keys as you can. Play 6-4-1-5, and whenever you hit the 5 and you play 2 counts, just before the 6, play a 200 diminished 7 arpeggio, a semitone below. Use that to find which one works, whether it's C sharp, F sharp, or G sharp, and then run it nicely. Have fun with it. Use this to add fills to your sound and make them sound different from what you are usually used to playing. All right, thank you so much for joining me in this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.